So, who exactly do PMs work with? PMs work with everyone. PMs are in a super unique position that they have seen the product throughout the entire product development cycle. They're in tune with the challenges that the product is facing across different functions, and there's no one else on the team that has this level of end-to-end visibility. As a result, PMs act as a central hub, and they help the larger team to connect all the dots. Let's walk through a few groups that PMs partner with. Keep in mind, though, that not all companies have these functions, and some companies might have functions that I don't mention. The first partner is user researchers. Their role is to help discover key user insights and behaviors, which helps you answer important questions about your assumptions, business model, and product. User researchers will also perform usability tests with users to make sure that your product is understood, solving a need, and can be used without any issues. In terms of interactions that you'll have with the research team, it'll be important to align on research priorities and questions that need to be answered. The research team will share their findings from the research that they've done with you, and together, the two of you can also participate in research and see things firsthand. Designers are also a key partner. Their role is to figure out what the product should look like and create delightful interactions for your users. Designers also play an important role to make sure that we're focused on solving the right problems for users. Some of the key interactions that you'll have when working with designers are aligning on problem definition and scope, reviewing PRDs and mocks, and compromising on ideal design solutions versus technical limitations or timeline pressure. Engineering is another key partner. Their role is to solve a whole bunch of tricky technical problems while they're building the product. They also work super hard to make sure that the product is always up and running and working. The types of interactions you'll have with engineers will be reviewing requirements, PRDs, and mocks, having discussions around feasibility and timelines, as well as creating a plan for tackling technical debt that's built up over time. Technical program managers and program managers are another key partner. The role of a program manager is super critical. They make sure that everyone is productive and getting work done. They keep a team on a schedule, and they have a pulse of what's going on and will flag risks and schedule slips. Interactions that you'll have with program managers are generally around prioritization exercises, sharing timelines and status updates, and reviewing the product roadmap together. Sometimes there's a lot of confusion between product management and program management, so let's walk through some of the differences. Product management is about understanding the user, the problem, and the market, and creating a roadmap of what problems to solve and what needs to be built. Program management, on the other hand, is about understanding the team, the organization, and how to get things done. Program managers focus on increasing efficiency, resourcing, and reducing risk through repeatable processes. Program managers execute against the roadmap that you've built. There's also technical program management, which is similar, but works much more closely with engineering and is involved in technical details of software development. Oftentimes, TPMs were previously software engineers, whereas program managers are more generalized. And sometimes, on smaller teams or at certain companies, you will need to do both product and program management.